it's Thursday. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Smita. Welcome to my channel. Another day and another festival, and this time it is Onam. If you didn't know, Onam is a harvest festival celebrated in the state of Kerala and by Malayalis throughout the world. And today's look is going to be very simple, quick and easy that anybody can recreate in no time with minimum makeup and minimum effort. So if you're ready, let's get started. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every week, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be informed every time I post a new update or a video. I'm starting off with a moisturizer. You can use any favorite moisturizer that you have. I use Aveeno on a regular basis, so I'm going to be applying it on my face and neck. For foundation, I'm going with Amazing Cosmetics because it's a very lightweight foundation and gives you that natural finish. It's a water-based foundation. I'm going to be using two different shades, medium beige all over my face and neck because it's my skin tone shade. And then I'm going to be using a deeper shade to lightly contour my face. I'm going to be using deep golden. This is a trick that I follow when I want my contour to look very natural and not harsh. I use a deeper shade of the foundation itself rather than using a cream contour or a powder contour. And because we'll be setting our entire face with powder, it's going to dull this foundation shade even more, and it'll blend the two foundation shades together to give you an even natural look. And to blend both the foundations, I'm using this flat kabuki brush that was sent to me by HipDot. To conceal my dark circles, I'm using the Milani concealer in 145, which is warm beige, and I'm using it on my lids as well so it can even out my skin tone before I use any eyeshadows. And now to set this base, I'm using the Airspun Translucent Loose Powder because it gives a more natural look as opposed to using a pressed powder which gives you more coverage but it looks more heavy. To keep my brows looking very natural, I'm only going to fill in the sparse areas using the Precisely My Brow from Benefit, and this is in the shade 4.5. Now because we're going for a very natural look, I'm going to be using only one eyeshadow to define my crease. That'll give the illusion of bigger almond-shaped eyes. I'm taking this transition shade from the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette. With a small definer brush, I'm going to first carve out my outer corner and the crease. And then with a larger blending brush, I'm using the Carity E31. I'm going to start blending this out. I'm taking just a little bit more of the transition shade, and I'm going to keep blending and softening everything up. With a bullet pencil brush, I'm going to take the same eyeshadow and I'm going to use it only in the outer corner of my lower lash line and join it with my crease so everything looks well balanced. In my waterline, I'm using the Jordana Easy Liner in black, which is a black eye pencil. You can also use a gel liner or kajal. And then I'm finishing up my eye makeup with a coat of mascara. I'm using the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. You can use any mascara that you have. Mascara makes a huge difference whether you're attaching falsies or not. Just applying a good coat of mascara keeps your eye looking alert and awake. As you can see, there's a huge difference between the two eyes. Even if you're going to skip the kajal, make sure you have the mascara. It just elevates your eye game to the next level. For blush, I'm using this super light ombre blush from Wet n Wild. As you can see, it's so light, it's barely there kind of a thing. It just adds a fresh touch of hue to your face. That's pretty much it. On my lips, I just wanted a little bit of color just to enhance my natural lip color, nothing too much. I didn't want to go with nude because that'll wash out the entire look because already the look is so simple. So for lipstick, I'm going with the Folklore liquid lipstick in number 14. To lighten this further and to add a little bit of plump, I'm using a lip gloss. This is the Milani lip gloss in number 4. No festive look is complete without that traditional touch. So I'm making some chandanam or sandalwood paste, which I'm going to apply right on top of my bindi. And I'm using a brush to apply it because it gives more precision and it looks neater. I got all of my jewelry, my kasumale, my jhumkas, my bangles, everything from India. And here is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give me that thumbs up if you did. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box right below this video. And you'll also find my social media accounts, including Instagram as well as Facebook. So if you're not already following me there, please take a moment to follow me there. I post a lot of other things that I don't usually show on YouTube. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new tutorial. Bye guys.